Welcome back to RKByte, your ultimate tech destination. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a website for free using Cloudflare workers. With this powerful tool, you can launch your website without any hosting costs. Let's get started. Now, let's create a Cloudflare worker. After logging in or creating an account on Cloudflare, navigate to the Workers section in the side menu. Click on Create a Worker to get started. Give your Cloudflare worker a name. For this example, let's name it Coming Soon to represent a simple Coming Soon page for your website. Now, click on Deploy to publish your Cloudflare worker and make your website live. Once deployed, you can configure the worker to ensure SSL is enabled for your website's secure connection. To test your website, click on the link for your Coming Soon worker. You should see a Hello World message displayed in a new tab. This confirms that everything is working perfectly. Now, click on the Quick Edit button to access the code editor. You can find the code for the Coming Soon page in the video description below. Remove the old code and paste the new code into the editor. After pasting the new code, click on Preview to see how your updated Coming Soon page looks. You should now be able to view the changes and have a preview of your website. Let's refresh our Coming Soon link to see the changes we made. Simply open the link in a new tab, and you should now see the updated version of your Coming Soon page. Now, let's move on to the main part, setting up a custom domain for your website. Click on Add Custom Domain and enter your desired domain name. However, please note that this will only work if you have already added a zone in Cloudflare. If you haven't added your domain to Cloudflare yet, follow these steps. Go to the Cloudflare website and click on Add Site. Enter your domain name. Choose the free plan and click on Continue to proceed. Now, we need to update the name server NS records with your domain registrar. Let me update the name server and come back. This process allows your domain to point to Cloudflare. Once you've made the necessary changes, it's important to note that it can take up to 24 hours for the updates to propagate across the internet. During this waiting period, Cloudflare will send you an email notification as soon as the name server is successfully pointed to Cloudflare. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates. To check if the DNS changes have propagated, you can use a DNS lookup tool. Enter your domain name, and it will display the current DNS information associated with your domain. This can help you verify if the name server records have been updated. Once the name server is updated, you can see Active under domain name on clicking Website Dashboard. Now go back to Workers and Page menu to add custom domain on Worker service. Click on Add Custom Domain and wait for few minutes to create the SSL create to secure the website. Once certificate shows active, you can click Show Domain to see Coming Soon page. Currently the domain propagate is not completed, my domain is not working. So we are going to use browselink.com to check website. Now you can see that your custom domain is ready to go. It's successfully connected to your Coming Soon script. You can now access your website using your own domain name. To use the Coming Soon script, you can find the code in the video description below. Simply copy and paste the code into the Cloudflare workers editor as we did earlier. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you create a free website using Cloudflare workers and set up a custom domain. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and leaving a comment if you need any further assistance. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting tech tutorials and solutions on RKByte. Until then, happy coding!